You know what it is. Falling on a budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James. A modern day outlaw gang. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition. Diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the roads. We were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling. We're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on.
Alright guys, what's up? Here we are at the yard. We got got some mine. Got here early this morning to clean my brother's truck. We're gonna be doing a walk around of this bad boy right here. Damn, sorry guys. Anyways, yeah, there's a truck. We're gonna be doing, damn, it's bright. We're gonna be doing a walk around of the W9. Gonna go ahead and get it washed. That way it's nice and clean. And then, yeah, so we'll get back to it. Let's get to it. Alright guys, just finished washing the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and I think my brother's in the background. That's my brother. That's my brother George.
I was trying to find my Red Bull, but I can't find it.
This is his truck. That's what he drives. So if you guys ever see the truck, that's him. Yeah, say what's up. Yeah, flick them off, bro. We flick them off. But anyways, yeah. So let me go ahead and show you guys the truck. Yep. All right, guys. Here it is. Got my brothers over there doing nothing, just hanging out. Anyways, let me see, where to start. This is obviously a Kenworth W900. It's a 2000. Has a 6Z cat with a 13-speed transmission, and this one will get up and go, unlike this one. But anyways, yeah, so you guys obviously seen the video. If you guys haven't seen the video, go ahead and check that out. The video when we put this bumper on is a 20-inch, what is it, a Texas bumper, right? Texas 20-inch blind mount Texas bumper. Added the watermelon lights in the corners. They're the dual revolution ones, so they go from amber and flip a switch and they go to green. Really like those. I'm actually gonna change mine out too to do that from amber to purple though. But that's a different video. Got the Maxima headlights, really bright. Love the way it looks. The visor, I'm not sure how big the visor is. If I would have guessed, it's like a 13, right? Yeah, 13. Came with the visor, so it's better than no visor, I guess. But he's gonna be switching that really soon. So yeah, wait for that. Let me see what else we got going here. Close this right quick. Got the 7-inch stacks, flat tops as well. The brand is Lincoln Chrome, same as mine. These are the kind that we use on all our trucks, Lincoln Chrome. There's also a video on this. I believe is one of the first videos we also did when we put the stacks on this truck. We ended up actually cutting the step, because the step, I think it comes out like out here, so we had to shorten it to make the pipe fit straight down. But yeah guys, we actually polished this truck ourselves. Came out decent, better than not being polished. Now we have to do the polish the steps, and yeah, also gotta do mine, because that's how they used to look, and that's how they look. Makes a hell of a difference. Got these 34-inch quarter fenders. We actually, the quarter fender originally was like way over here. We removed that, drilled a new hole, set them back further and lower, so it's up close up against the tire. It looks cleaner. We cleaned up the frame. You guys seen that video, I believe. If not, check it out. Got rid of all the rust, got nice and straight, did body work, painted it black, painted the whole frame black. Got some light bar action going on back here. If you can see the other one, looking good. It's gonna get the centerpiece. So yeah, he wants to switch out the sleeper lights to the Dual Revolution ones also, that go from red to green. We gotta get rid of all this mess here. We're gonna be getting a deck plate made, and make the lines run from the deck plate to here, or maybe through the back. We don't know yet, but all I know is we have to clean this mess up, because that's not pretty. So yeah, mirror lights, these also go from amber to green. So yeah guys, we're gonna be getting the whole front end new, because it's really, as you can tell, it's kind of shitty. So we're gonna be fixing that. And as you can see, the top of the hood is little faded, it's defective. We're actually gonna be painting the whole hood again, and when we do that, we're gonna be changing out the whole front grille. That way everything looks new again. But yeah guys, that's the truck. Check it out. Check it out, check it out. Also, we're gonna be bagging the truck. Actually, we're gonna be bagging all of these bad boys. We're gonna be bagging them really soon. It's actually on the #1 priority on our list. So look forward to those videos, guys. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you the interior. Alright guys, the door, obviously, as you can see, is missing the chrome buttons. He fell off. He actually ordered a bunch of them, so he's waiting for those to come in. And yeah, we'll go ahead and hop inside. All right, let me go ahead and, I'm not sure what, okay, there it goes. I'll show you guys the dash. It's kind of close. Steering wheel to match. Lime green interior to match the fenders. And chrome. Cool. Got the sunroof up on top. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is we actually wrapped this dash also. We actually wrapped mine first, purple, and then this was the second dash that we wrapped. Came out really nice. So yeah. Go ahead and show you the sleeper real quick. Nice and clean. Has the studio package, so it has the sofa in the back. It turns into a bed, and has a double bunk also. Go ahead and hop to the back. Show you guys the interior shot from here. Cool. So yeah, this is the back, obviously. Couch, another cabinet, refrigerator. So yeah, pretty cool. Go ahead and show you guys the speaker box. For anybody that has a W9 with the studio sleeper package, knows that there's really no room in here to put speakers anywhere, because yeah, there's just no room. The only room you have is down here, and it's really small. So we made a custom box, got some measurements, and made a box to fit exactly underneath there. These are 212 kicker comp R's or something like that. I can't remember really. I think they're comp R's, yeah. So yeah, we wrapped the box to match the dash, so it looks awesome. We put green LED lights up inside, so this port glows. And so as the port wasn't just all black, we actually made a little splatter design inside. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, but either way, we have a little splatter design, so pretty cool, because when the light glows, it kind of like, yeah, like, I don't know, I can't explain it, you guys know what I mean. It's like when you put a black light on it, you know, it's pretty much the same. Got the amp mounted to the floor right here, and yeah, that's that. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hey. So yeah, that's that. Go ahead and hop back over here. Nice. So yeah, guys, that's the truck. Nice. Go ahead and show you the system. You probably won't be able to hear it anyways, because I saw my last video, did a walk around in my truck, and you can't really hear the bass anyway, so kind of sucks. But either way, I'll go ahead and show you guys anyway, so you guys can kind of, yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys for the hell of it. So yeah,
it has lyrics after a little bit. That's why I'm asking how long.
How long is that?
That's what I'm asking.
It's recording.
There you go.
Hey. How long is it?
20 seconds.
That'd be good enough. Just start it, restart it, and then put pause. You'll know when to play it. Come on, because I'm recording my minutes, or I don't know what I'm saying.
Purate, wey.
Pretty much, right? Fuck up.
So the same one?
By the time he picks a song, yeah, anything, just play it.
Well, fuck it, go.
Push pause.
Oh wait.
Start over and pause.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Turn it up.
Go ahead and show you what it sounds like. It actually gets down for 2/8. So, but again, it's different from whatever you hear it on and in person. So yeah. So go ahead and turn it up. Alright guys, that was the system. Like I said, I know it's not gonna sound awesome on the whatever you guys watch it on. Alright, like I said, I saw the last video with my truck and you can't hear anything, man. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys just for the hell of it, you know. So yeah guys, that was the system.
What else?
I want to show you this real quick, guys. We have 4 speakers up on top. The Memphis speakers. So this is actually really loud for voice, and these he actually replaced them from the original one, so these actually sound really good for voice. So yeah, and I want to show you now that the key's on. I'll go ahead and show you how the box looked with lights. He put lights all underneath that back panel. So usually he has the covers on. We just took them off so it's not so dark back here. So at night all this lights up, or like it lights up all down here. Looks really good. And as the box goes, put lights under here, so it glows on top. And the lights in the port, this was what I was talking about. It looks really good. Go ahead and show you from a little bit further back. Looks really good at night. Really love the way it came out. So yeah, and we're gonna be doing the floors on these also. We're gonna be doing them. Actually, it's all the trucks. We want to do the floors. Check out the carpet. Look a lot better. Be cleaning up the shifter also, because it's kind of messy right now. He's gonna be getting new pedals, the chrome ones. You know, a bunch of little things here and there we want to take care of. Just, you know, little by little. As always, we'll get there. I mean, these aren't show trucks or anything, but they're all right, I guess.
They're sexy working trucks.
There you go. They just look good on the highway. That's it. So yeah, guys, that's that. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. We got a lot more work to do to the truck, obviously. I mean, like we said, we know they ain't perfect. They're working trucks. They ain't no show trucks. But I mean, they work. You know what I mean? We're happy with them, so it is what it is. Like I said, we have a lot of things we want to do to them still. And yeah, so stay tuned for those videos. And yeah, let us know what you guys think of the truck. Let us know if you guys like it. If you guys like the truck, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, just let us know down in the comments what you guys think of the truck, you know. Yeah, we'll see what happens, I guess, you know. And yeah, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Does this mean I can put my shit back?
Bitch.